Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how we're going to take apart a secondary air pump for a BMW out of a 3 Series, but we have a 5 here as well. And those air pumps are sometimes they're very weak spot on those. I've heard people replacing 3-4 of them and they're pretty expensive. So we'll take one apart and see if we can fix that thing and what goes wrong with it. We don't guarantee that we'll be able to fix it, but we want to see if we can save a couple $100 before buying one. We're gonna test it again, positive and negative. The positive goes to 12 volt red cable there and the negative to the black one. And let's see if we can actually turn that thing on. Okay, 1 second. Now we need to go ahead and activate the knuckle and nothing happens even when you hit it. So we're going to go ahead and take it apart now and see what's inside of those things, see what goes wrong with it. Usually they use those Torx. I think it's a T25 and there is only 4 on top, so we'll go ahead and see what's inside. Check out, we have a video how to remove it out of a BMW E90, which should cover the models from 2005, 6, 2012. Okay, 2 more. It should have an air filter probably inside. Some do, some don't, depending on the model. Okay, so that came from the bottom. We're gonna pull it out, and that's why ours is not working. Ours was full of water, as you can see. I don't know what happened, how it got water there, but it wasn't sealed good. And you can see that was water up to here. So when it wasn't sealed, what happened, actually the water stayed there for a long time. So we're gonna take it apart and see what we can do with it. No kidding, it didn't work. And the car, we know it hasn't been flooded. I don't know how that water came in, probably just being washed. Okay, and you can see how stuck it is. So in order to remove that fan right here, we're gonna put a little bit of WD-40 here. Okay, and it's gonna spin eventually. Those are breakable, so I don't guarantee you that you can remove one of those without breaking it, but we're gonna try. I don't think we can lose anything. We're gonna buy one anyways if it doesn't work. Okay, and you can see how much it came out. So we're gonna spin and push up at the same time so it doesn't go down on the axle, and about 180 degrees. We're gonna go a little bit more, and now you can get a screwdriver right here when you get enough room to get in. Okay, pretty deep like that, and we need to move a little bit more. Hopefully we don't break that thing. So we need to just go a little bit on left to right, and it will come right out of there. So we're gonna spin it to come to this point now. Okay, and we have it out. We have four bolts right here that we'll need to remove now with the T25. Let's see if we can pull the motor out of there now. Take it apart and clean it. So if you wash your engine, that sometimes probably will flood it. Okay, that's the little motor that we have right here. Oh, you guys, I'll turn the light off, probably we can see better. There is 4 of these that we need to, where it's pressed in, we need to kind of like pull to the outside. With a small screwdriver that's doable. You can see we got 4, and now once you remove those 4, we should be able to separate the motor. Hopefully. But this one is stuck pretty good. Okay, it started coming apart already. Let's see what's the damage inside. And you can see all the rust. That's just unbelievable rust right here. And that bearing down there is still good, but the one on top, it's shot. You can see it's not moving at all. So now we need to lubricate it and clean it, see if we can save it. Okay, it started coming out. Or maybe not. Still stuck there. Okay, we're gonna pull it out now. It came out. And we'll actually see the connections first before we start messing with it. So we have a voltmeter here, guys, and if you set it to check a connection, okay, you can see right now. It shows 1, that's like when there is 0 connection, and if there is a connection it will beep and it should show 0. So what we're going to do actually, we're going to get the red cable now, the red wire there, and I'm gonna go, and this is for the red one, which goes right here, that's where it touches the motor. And you can see it's perfect connection. Now we're gonna go to the negative, which is the other one. Again, you can hear it, perfect connection there. So the only problem that we had, it was stuck in the bearing. So we're going to grease those now, spray them really good with WD-40, grease them, clean everything again. We're going to clean right here, that surface you can see, oh, that is bad. Lubricate the other bearing, put it together and see if it works. So we'll get a little bit of very fine sandpaper, probably about 1200 will be fine. And we're going to go over the roller there where it contacts to clean it good, make it shiny. We use some rubbing alcohol to clean it. And we're gonna put it together to see if it works now. So we put it together just the same way we took it apart in reverse order, clean everything, lubricate it. We're going to test it now and see if it works. Okay, let's turn the power on, hold it good, because it's pretty powerful little motor actually. Alright, let's see now if it's going to start. And right now it didn't. So we need to make sure we have connection too, because okay, we need to be on this one. Yep, you can see it works. We cannot just get the 2 clips there. Let's try again. It works great. So we're gonna put it together and see how it is on the car, but I don't think you will have any problems. Okay, pump is working, everything's good, so that's pretty much the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.